Hey there, it's Tanya from freerangecottage.com. Today I'm going to share a furniture makeover with you. We picked up a couple of cute little chairs for $5 a piece at the thrift store. But you kind of had to use your imagination. They got some chalk paint and they got some new upholstery, and now they've got really nice farmhouse style. I think you're going to like them. So take a look at the makeover, and thank you so much for new subscribers. I appreciate you and just want to give you the warmest welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, if you like DIY and home decor and all things home, I hope you'll consider subscribing. So on with the makeover, and I hope you like it. So this is how the chairs looked when I brought them home from the thrift store. I bought them down the street at a thrift store that has a lot of furniture, and sometimes they clearance it out. So I got them for $5 a piece. I knew they would be easy to redo because you can unscrew the seats and take the upholstery, or redo the upholstery anyway. And you'll see here in a minute that they have 2 layers already of vinyl on them, a black and a green. I was just going to leave it on, but when Rob took over doing the seats, he went ahead and took it off and pulled the staples out and just left just the batting. They just needed a light sanding, mostly just on the arms. Wiped them down really good. I decided to go ahead and use a chalky spray paint on these. I do use a little sprayer with chalk paint, but I didn't have any on hand. So I grabbed a couple cans of this chalky finish, which I've used before, and I liked it because there's so much detail on these. I knew doing it with a brush would just take me forever. My dog ran through, but I had the garage door open, so she went outside. This was I think it's called, it's not linen white. You can see it on the can when I held it up there. I forget what the name of it is. It's the white that they have. And gave a really nice finish, and it was really quick, which is what I wanted. I wanted a quick makeover. Chalk paint always, or chalk style paint always, looks kind of bad with the first coat, so don't panic if you haven't used it before. When you put the first coat on, it looks like you've made a mistake, like you shouldn't have done this. But after 2 coats, it looks great. And like I said, Rob took over and he used drop cloth first just to cover the cushion and everything, and give a nice base for this black and white ticking stripe that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And you just have to be careful of your stripes. When you're putting on a pattern or a stripe, you just have to be aware of that and look at the top and make sure you're laying it in the right spot. But with a staple gun, it's pretty quick work. Ours is a plug-in staple gun. There are non-electrical ones, but it came out really, really well. It just has a really nice, clean sort of farmhouse finish to it. I love ticking stripe on just about anything. It goes with a lot of different styles, and it's a classic. Screwed the seat back on. Needed some new screws. The old ones were just not grabbing anymore. It looked like the seat had been done a couple times, so he just used some wood screws that he had on hand and screwed them on real sturdy. And this is the finished product. I think they came out beautiful. We did a little light distressing on the painted finish and finished it with some fine steel wool, and that gave it a hard finish that can't just be scraped off or anything. And there's that ticking stripe up close. And I think they've got a great cottage, farmhouse, French country. It would fit in a lot of different styles in a lot of different rooms. So I'm pretty happy with them. Thanks for watching.